Happy New Year, guys. I hope you had a wonderful holiday. Welcome to A3 Tech channel once again. Today I'll be unboxing a Diesel-on SmartWatch Hybrid, and I'll be walking you through how to connect it with your smartphone. Let's dive into it. In the box, this is what I have in the box. I believe this box is made of pure leather. Wow. Okay, we have a watch and we have two manuals in the box. Okay, now how am I going to on this? Because it looks more or less like a conventional analog wristwatch, which it is not. There is more to this watch. If you want to on a Diesel smartwatch hybrid, you have to press the button, the middle button down for like 10 seconds till it vibrates 3 times. The moment it vibrates 3 times, it is on and ready to connect. Mind you, before you can connect this watch to your phone, you need to download the Diesel app from Play Store or Apple Store. The moment you download it, as I have on my phone, it's going to tell you ready to connect. Let me use this one. Okay, I'm opening my Diesel app. Okay, it's telling me to sign up. If you don't have an account with them, it's going to ask you to sign up. But I already had one, so I'm just going to log in. My Diesel app display, it tells we could not connect to your device. Okay, you can see it's automatically connected. Reason is because I already connected it before I start making this video. It can track your how many steps you take per day, then how many calories you burn per day, your sleeping data. You can use it to track your weight. It can notify you when you have a message. It tells you date, it controls your music player, and a lot of things to explore. It's a wonderful wristwatch. You would want to have. Okay, you can see it has date, notification, alarm, go tracking, ring phone, second time zone, take a picture. These are the things you can actually do from the watch, and the app is going to collect all the data you need. Taking a look at the texture of the Diesel smartwatch hybrid, you can see it's a genuine leather strap. Okay, the bottom button controls your music player on your phone. I don't know, let me try because I'm using my phone with the watch right now. It plays music automatically on your phone, while the top button is customizable. Now, how do you check the time and date? When you already have complete your setup, you press the middle button just once. You see it's on date. It's on date for some seconds before it goes back to the current time on your phone. This is an amazing innovative. You know, we are all used to the touch screen smartwatch and others, but you know, nobody will believe this is actually a smartwatch. You can easily get one of these at A3 Tech. I'll be buying one for myself, and I hope you also join me in buying one. It's a nice wristwatch. Thank you so much for staying tuned. Kindly like the video, subscribe for more tech hacks. Have a wonderful day.